Hello everybody, my name is Paul Tace. In this video we are going to be looking at getting insurance for your drone. This may sound like a very boring subject, but it's very fun. You can be insured. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I've had a surprising amount of questions about insurance and getting your drone insured. Particularly coming into New Year, if people want to do this commercially, this is something you're going to legally be required to have. So what I'm going to start off by doing is differentiating between recreational and commercial insurance. First thing I want to point out is that if you are flying recreationally in the UK, you do not have to have insurance, but it is recommended. And in terms of this, what I will say is there are plenty of places you can go and get insured relatively cheap. I've seen quite a lot around for about £20 for the year or so. And if you join organisations such as the BMFA, which is the British Model Flying Association, they will have their own deals which will incorporate a lot of things you may need. So what I'm more going to focus on today is commercial insurance. This is going to be a lot more sort of streamlined and sort of specialist, if you like. So what I've actually done is I've researched where you can get drone insurance from, and actually after Googling it I can only find two relatively large companies that will insure your drone for commercial purposes. This was Cover Drone and Flock Cover. Now across both websites the insurance comes to about the same price when I was looking at insuring myself, and if I wanted to insure myself for a £5 million public liability insurance, both of them come to about £350 per year, just over. Now when I was playing around with this I also put in different qualifications such as having the A2CFC and the GVC, both of which didn't actually have a huge difference on the price, maybe about £30 or so for the year, which actually really surprised me. Now when I looked at these two companies I decided to go with Flock Cover. Now this was because I personally don't do a lot of commercial flights. I do the odd flight here and there, and I do a bit of freelance photography where it might be beneficial to have some drone shots in my video. So for this reason I went with Flock Cover, because they will actually insure you per hour. Where with Cover Drone I actually only managed to get insurance for the day. For Cover Drone this was about £12 for the day, and with Flock Cover I managed to get it down to £5 per hour depending on where I was flying. So if you're flying somewhere where you've got authorization to fly in a restricted airspace, for example, it could go up to much as £25, and if you were flying somewhere where it was nice and open, it could go down to just below £5. So this is something to consider. So once I decided to go with Fly Cover, I filled out all of the information, put in all my details and all your bank details. Now, whenever I want to fly and I just want to be covered for the hour, I've got an app on my phone, I go on the app and I activate it. And as soon as I've set the time and started it, I know I'm then insured to fly. So for me, this is just a lot easier. If I'm doing a commercial flight, I just go onto the app, activate it, and I'm ready to go. So I hope this has answered a lot of questions that any of you will have about insurance and ways you could make it work for yourself. If you do have any other questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video useful, hitting that like button is a huge help to me as a creator, and if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, think about hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon. That's it for this video guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.